My name is Scott Bennett and welcome to Wouldn't It Be Nice? We offer services here in our local community, but also to viewers around the world. Our customers bring us their wooden furniture, so we can use our woodworking skills to repair those. It could be as simple as taking a loose chair apart and gluing it back together again so it's rock solid, or it could be more complex, where we're replacing broken or missing parts to restore that furniture back to its original state. I enjoy working on furniture repair because I'm providing a service in my community, and I'm also preventing some really unique pieces from going to the landfill. So that preservation is something that's really rewarding for me. Now, we're recording these videos and sharing them with you on our Fixing Furniture YouTube channel. We also have a YouTube channel called Home Improvement Woodworking. We share woodworking knowledge and techniques so you can learn how to do woodworking in your home. It might be a closet organizer or perhaps a fireplace mantle. It could be a staircase renovation or maybe adding some wainscoting. I've also drawn up some woodworking plans for some of the projects that are popular, such as our classic coastal fireplace, the miter saw dust collection hood, the benchtop shave horse. These are available on our website for you to purchase so you can build them for yourself. We're located in the Durham region, part of the Greater Toronto area. If you're in our local area and you'd like your furniture repaired, we're a small family-run business, so give us a call and we'll answer any questions you have. If you're part of the global community and you're enjoying our blogs or our videos, thank you for subscribing and thank you for giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support.